1. Relax the shoulders down. Point the toes. 6, 7. Cactus hand. Namaskara at your heart center. Inhale. Keeping your palms together, raising both the hands over the head, over your head. Inhaling, stretching up, palms together. आँखें खुला नहीं रखना है, अभी तक इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं मिला है कि आँख खुला रखना है, और बैक बेंडिंग का भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस मैंने नहीं दिया है, सिर्फ मैंने बोला है ओवर द हेड. नाउ गेट योर हेड बैक एंड लुक टू योर अंगुष्ठा दृष्टि. अंगुष्ठा दृष्टि. Stretch the lateral body parts upward and high. Stretching the lateral body parts. Rashi ma'am. Exhaling and folding forward to Uttanasana. This class is for advanced student and the intermediate student, and those who are beginners in the class, kindly follow the limitations of the body. Inhaling an Ardha Uttanasana, lift the chest up. Inhaling, you are bending the knees, pressing your palms on the brake to jump back or step back. Anything is fine. Jump back. Dandasana to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhaling, lifting the chest up for Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, tuck the toes. 1. Relax the shoulders down. Press the hands and palm. Relax the shoulders down. Lift the chin up. Hold. Follow your breath to move. Exhaling, tuck the toes to reach up. 1. You are doing the dynamic move and the static move together directly to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, that is your upward facing dog, shifting the body weight forward. Exhaling, mountain position, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Adho is down, Mukha is head, Swana is dog, so downward facing dog. The head is resting between the arms, the head is not doing any action. No action from the head, only the trunk is moving. Inhaling, shifting to Urdhva Mukha Svanasana again. 1. A lower back bend, shoulders relaxed, hands are strong, opening chest. Exhaling, downward facing dog. 1. Jani ma'am, stay here, practice your support if she does the mistake. From here, right foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Right foot step back, Dandasana. Right foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Right foot step back, Dandasana. Left foot step forward, Ashwa Sanchalan. Left foot step back, Dandasana. Step forward, Ashwa. Step back, Dandasana. Step forward, Ashwa, and step back, Dandasana. Drop the knees, drop your chest in on the ground, Ashtanga Namaskar. The 8th Anga is bending, dropping in Divine Pranam. Slide forward to Bhujanga, the Cobra position, the king of the snake. From here, extend both the hands forward, off the ground, and find your palms together like this. No, find your palms like this and stretch away. Also, keep your legs closed, the heels closed, and balance on the stomach to raise your legs up. 1, 2, Try to get your heels closer and closer, not necessarily together but closed. Glutes are engaged. 5, point the toes. 6, 7, cactus hand. 1, 2, 3, drop the toes, interlace the fingers behind. Drop the toes down and reach upward. Lift the chest. Extend the hands back. Interlacing the fingers, press the fingers on the buttock. Press your fingers on the buttock. Roll the shoulders. Last 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relaxed. Drop the forehead. Tuck the forehead and then drop. Tuck the forehead and drop. Going to Parvatasana as you exhale. Ekam. This class is for intermediate students and advanced practitioner. Raising the right leg up, Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana, pointing the toes up, keeping your hip square, not opening your hip, keeping your hip square, pointing the toes. Now from here, the right foot pointing upward to the ceiling and right knee pointing to the floor. Step 2, get your right knee pointing to the ceiling and right foot towards the left floor. From here, the right foot will drop to the left side of the body and right hand will raise up the right chest. The right chest is opening towards the ceiling and the right hand is extending over the head. From here, start rotation of the right hand clockwise for 3 or outward rotation and inward rotation for another 3, 2, and 3. Coming back, dropping the knees, sitting in Vajrasana, countering your hands by interlacing the fingers, stretch the hands back, inhale, lift the chest and exhale, fold forward. एक बार भी मिस करेंगे इंस्ट्रक्शंस तो फिर देखना पड़ेगा और करना पड़ेगा, और देख के जब आप करते हैं ना तो मज़ा नहीं आता उसमें. आप सुन के करेंगे ना तो लय में जाएंगे. इट्स लाइक अ रिदम, creating rhythm in the movement. This is your static movement and the previous few movements were the dynamic movement. Coming back out of the position and going back to the previous sequence, placing your both the hands on the brick and reaching towards the left leg, Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana. Ekapada, left leg is up, point the toes, keeping your hip square, pressing the hands, keeping your head between your arms, and from here get your knee bent, foot facing to the ceiling first. Second step, knee facing to the ceiling and foot facing to the right floor. And once you try to release your foot down, the hand will reach up. You are balancing on 3 pillars, 2 legs and 1 hand, extending the hand over the head. This time the left chest is extending towards the ceiling. Extend, stretch. You have the option to raise your heels up, balancing on the toes, and start rotating your shoulder if possible. And if you are suffering with your hand, then you can drop and follow or respect your body. Clockwise and anti-clockwise 3 rounds, and then come back in Shashank Asana, the child's pose. Dropping both the knees, pressing the buttock on the heels. Anyone suffering with sleep disorder, the Shashankasana is a simple way to induce the melatonin hormone to get your sleep before going on bed. You can practice this for 7 minutes. Back to Parvatasana as you exhale.